In a small, sun-kissed village in Jamaica, there lived a young boy named Brian. Growing up, Brian was captivated by the vibrant colors and intoxicating aromas wafting from his mother's kitchen. She was renowned in their community for her delectable dishes, each meal a celebration of spices, fresh ingredients, and love. Every Sunday, the house would fill with the laughter of neighbors and the scent of jerk chicken sizzling on the grill. Brian, with his bright, curious eyes, would perch on a stool, watching his mother expertly toss ingredients together, adding a pinch of this and a dash of that, all while sharing stories of their ancestors. One day, while helping with the preparations, Brian accidentally spilled a jar of allspice. Instead of scolding him, his mother knelt beside him, smiled and said, "Sometimes, my sweet boy, the best dishes come from mistakes." Inspired, Brian began experimenting, blending local flavors with his own creative twists. As he grew older, Brian's passion for cooking intensified. He often wandered through local markets, learning about exotic fruits and vegetables, just waiting for the moment they would inspire his next dish. His childhood neighbors would rave about his culinary creations, from sweet plantain fritters to spicy curry goat, always leaving plates clean and smiling faces in their wake. At 16, Brian secured an apprenticeship at the local restaurant, where he poured his heart and soul into every dish he crafted. He quickly gained a reputation, catching the attention of a renowned chef from abroad who visited Jamaica on a culinary tour. Impressed by Brian's skill, the chef invited him to train in Paris, promising to teach him the intricacies of world cuisine. In the bustling kitchens of Paris, Brian learned to refine his techniques but never lost his love for Jamaican heritage. He infused traditional recipes with European flair, creating a unique style that would win the hearts of food critics and lovers alike. After years of hard work, he finally opened his own restaurant, Island Flavors, a tribute to his roots. As his culinary journey unfolded, Brian found success beyond his wildest dreams. His restaurant became a gastronomic mecca, and he was soon hailed the best chef in the world, receiving accolades from food aficionados everywhere. But through all the fame and recognition, Brian remained humble. Each dish he served was accompanied by a story, reminding diners that food was not just about taste, but about culture, love, and coming together. And in his heart, he carried the essence of his mother's kitchen, forever grateful for the journey that began in that little Jamaican village.